Are you a small business in Brisbane struggling to manage your IT? As a small business owner, you should be spending more time running your business and less time on IT problems. You need an IT company that will provide the best possible service at a competitive price. That's where we come in. Meet Itopia, your reliable partner for all your IT needs. We provide small business IT support services across Brisbane, supporting companies that require a wide range of IT support solutions. We offer state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology with top-rated customer service and response times. Whether you need on-site or remote support, computer repairs, or cybersecurity services, our team of technicians is ready to answer all your needs. Itopia will keep your day-to-day IT operations running smoothly with our cost-effective, on-demand IT support solutions. Our small business IT support is designed for both remote and on-site maintenance, installations, and upgrades, so you know we're always nearby in case you need support fast. Our support team is always available to ensure that your IT infrastructure is running at peak performance. With Itopia, efficient operations and business continuity are our top priority. For today's businesses, effective IT support is not a luxury, it's a necessity. With Itopia, small businesses gain a reliable partner, providing round-the-clock IT support tailored to their needs. Let Itopia be your trusted partner for IT support. Contact us today to learn more.